Welcome to another, I don't know what to call it, experience Wobbly Life. I don't want to call it gameplay because it's just an experience really. A super cool game. As promised, we're going to be ice cream man. Or ice cream, I don't know, ice cream people. Let's check this out, okay. Yeah, this is order, first order, okay. Okay, nice, okay. What was the first order again? Vanilla, okay. Let's get 3 scoops of vanilla apparently. Damn it. This is hard. Jobs are not easy in this game. Ah, that works, I think. Damn it. Okay, nice, okay. Shortlet. Go away. This is my place, I don't know. Oh, this is enough chocolate, I don't think it's enough. One more. Ah, this is not easy, what is going on? What? Okay. Ah! Damn it, what is going on? We're losing all our scoops, man. Again. Ah! It's not easy. It's not. Okay. These guys are no fun. Well, let's do it one more time. Ah! Okay, this is nerve-wrackingly. This is crazy. Come on, this is nuts. What? Why didn't I get any? Ha! Why didn't I get any money? What is going on? Ah, sprinkles. I forgot about the sprinkles. I'm so freaking. I don't want to say it. Not very bright in this game apparently. But we recommend trying it. This is crazy, guys. Completely nuts. This has to pay. Hope this pays a lot because this is nuts. Ha! Okay. I'm gonna start with the chocolate sprinkles because why not? Seems like a best way to do this. Okay. Do I need to do it 3 times? Ah, okay, that's probably the best thing about it. Okay, it's a barrel with a clock. Come on. Okay. Damn it! I guess you suck at ice cream people. What is going on? Hope you like the food here. It is not good. It's going way too slow back there. No real system and everything is so hard. So we're gonna try it one more time still. Whew, this is crazy. Have to do it again. Okay, okay. No sprinkles. No sprinkles, just... Okay. Strawberry. Start with the strawberry one. Haha. Come on. Yes! Oh, that went surprisingly well. Chocolate. Yes! $10 for one ice cream. Ah, that's kinda cool. Wait. Damn it! It was a water shot. Damn it. This is all vanilla. At least we made $10. We're very happy about that. Ah, but wait. I don't know what is going on. Well, let's just do the vanilla ones. Or let's just do triple chocolate. Okay, nah, let's just start with this. One more. Okay, chocolate. Damn it. Okay. Smoothly, come on, smoothly. Yes! Okay, let's do chocolate. Triple chocolate, come on. Compare this time, have something. Haha! Yes! $30, yes! Loving this, it's going smoothly now, finally. Okay, let's do something easy. Okay, this one seems a little bit easy. One chocolate. One chocolate. Two Who like this? Okay. Move. Stupid guy. Damn it. Okay, at least we got $30 from this kick. That's crazy. Where is the bank? We need a bank. Wow, that is crazy. We love this. Don't recommend this. This was not worth the hassle, man. It was crazy for $30. Woo! Okay, we need £1,000 to buy ourselves a nice house. Seems like a serious conversation. Sorry if I ruined it. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, maybe tell us what we should do next. Woohoo! I don't know what to do next, man. Let's check it out. We already were parachuting. Okay, maybe next time we will. What is this? Oh. Ha! Maybe we'll go parachuting, we'll jump somewhere else. Somewhere to a cool place. Maybe. But for now, like, subscribe, but most of all, thanks for watching. Haha.